Do you know what you'll get from this? The answer is 15. Yes, but why? Let's clear it up. Hi, let's talk today about the parseInt function in JavaScript. I'm Anatol and you're watching the good parts of the front-end development. According to ECMAScript Specification, the parseInt function produces an integer value dictated by interpretation of the contents of the string argument according to the specific radix. Therefore, f is equal to 15 based on the radix 16, but the very next asterisk will be out of the range. Hence, parseInt ignores any character that cannot be interpreted as a part of the notation, and it stops processing and ignores the rest of the string. Consequently, the result is just 15. As you might know, the unary plus operator is just a shorthand for parseInt operator. However, you cannot do this trick with it because unary plus has no radix. You can play the same trick on null. ParseInt function converts null to a string. For radixes is equal to 24, you have a set consisting of numbers from 0 to 9 and letters from A to N. N is the 14th letter or 23rd element of radix 24. You can solve the following puzzle in the same way. This relates to infinity in JavaScript according to the standard. Infinity in its turn is converted into an infinity string. Then, parseInt function takes I of base 19 and converts it into a base 10, which becomes 18. The next character n is not present in base 19, so the function stops processing and returns the result, that is 18. That's it. So easy. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.